Iran has struck Ras Laffan industrial city in Qatar, the largest LNG export facility in the world. This is not just another attack. This is the heart of global gas supply. Explosions and fires have forced a partial shutdown of a facility handling massive LNG capacity. That means one thing: global energy markets are now at risk. Qatar tried to balance diplomacy, maintaining ties with Iran while protecting its shared gas field. But that strategy has now collapsed in under 48 hours. First, the reservoir was threatened. Now, the processing hub itself has been hit. There is no backup for Ras Laffan. LNG cannot be rerouted like oil. If this plant stops, the gas simply doesn't move. The impact? Asia could face energy shortages, price spikes, and industrial slowdowns. This isn't just a regional conflict anymore. This is a direct strike on the global energy system. And right now, there is no off switch.